Hi, I just wanted to give you a quick tour of how to start using Bloom. Of course, you go to BloomChat AI, and once you go in there and you get here, just click on Login. You log in, put in your username and password. I'm going to use my test user. In here, you have a couple of things you can do. You can choose one of those suggested prompts, or you can type your own. For me, I want to see, for example, what is Victor working on. So what is Victor working on? And it should go and fetch information from my email, calls, ticketing system. If there's anything in QuickBooks or documents that show what he's been working on, it'll fetch all of this information. And I should get an answer pretty soon. So here I can see there are a few tickets. You can see here this is the answer. There's some stuff is from emails, some stuff comes from tickets, and some stuff comes from calls, like from a phone call. So if you want to see the distribution of how the answer is made, it shows you here what it's looked to find this solution, to find this answer, and give you an idea of where the information came from. Also, it gives you follow-up questions. Sometimes these are maybe relevant, sometimes they're not, but it's just basically what it thinks that it's the next logical question for you. Of course, if you have an answer you don't like, you can click on it and you can edit here, and that'll register into memory. So next time you add, let's say you want to add like Victor, for example, Victor is also Victor is working on a marketing campaign as well. Okay, and you click on save this and close. It'll remember that it'll add to the list of things that Victor is working on, marketing campaigns. To see what is connected, what data sources are connected, if you click on settings, you'll see right now I am connected to Microsoft 365, which is also like SharePoint and Teams and calendars, my QuickBooks, my ticketing system, which is Autotask, and my phone system, which is 3CX. And here, of course, you see the data, where the data came from. You see the emails that actually selected to get my answer, and what tickets and what phone calls. And with all of this, you should give you a bit of a full picture of what Victor is working on, and then we can edit it, and we can also look for for example, how many laptops have we sold in the last 30 days, and it should go and now it should go into QuickBooks because this is a specific purchasing issue, and we should get an answer that gives me a bit of an indication of what's happening with our laptop sales. It does take a second to gather all the information, but as you can see here, it looked at the invoices and what's been sold, and it shows here that I have sold 11 laptops. So I hope you enjoy this. Of course, this is using the chat, the LLM, and like the artificial intelligence and large language models. They have their own way of thinking. So I always say, trust but verify. Verify a lot of the information. For the most part, you want to use this in a way to give you more ways to think and look at your systems, but you still need to check. No matter what, with chat, we're not at the level yet where we can really take what it says as gospel. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Gives you a bit of an idea of what we do, and prompt away. Thanks. Bye.